Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to iOS app analytics notifications from Firebase step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Once you're in the Firebase console, select the project for which you want to enable iOS app analytics notification. In the left sidebar, click on Settings located at the bottom of the menu. From the Settings menu, choose Project Settings. Scroll down to find the Integrations tab. Click on Integrations to view available options. Locate the Google Analytics section within the Integrations tab. Ensure that Google Analytics is enabled for your project. If it's not enabled, follow the prompts to set it up. Next, navigate back to the left sidebar and select Analytics. Click on the Dashboard option to access your Analytics overview. In the Analytics dashboard, look for the Notifications section. Here, click on Manage Notifications. You will see options for managing your notification settings. Choose the types of notifications you want to receive related to iOS app analytics. Customize your notification preferences according to your needs. Be sure to enter the email address where you want to receive notifications. After configuring your preferences, click on the Save button to apply changes. Your iOS app analytics notifications are now set up. To confirm receipt of notifications, check your email for a confirmation message from Firebase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.